Once you log into JSTOR, you will be directed to a search page. You can conduct a quick search here for all content, meaning journal articles, books, images, and primary sources, or you can click on the Images tab if you're just looking for images. You can also click on the Advanced Search link for a more thorough search experience. Whenever possible, I highly recommend using an advanced search as it has more options. Let's go over some of these. You can add more than one search term and limit each by field. You can narrow your results down by item type, language, publication date, journal or book title, and even filter by journals in a particular subject area. For example, if you're researching an artist, you may want to select the art and art history journals so that all of our results are coming from journals relevant to our topic. You can also apply all of these filters after you conduct a general search. Let's see what that looks like. I'm going to do a quick search for the artist Carrie Mae Weems. We got hundreds of results, but likely only a handful of these will actually be relevant to our specific research needs. So let's use the filters to make this more manageable. Starting with the top, we can quickly narrow these results down by adding another term. For my assignment, I want to only focus on Weems' photography work, so I'm going to type in photography. This narrowed my results quite a bit, but I also know I only want to look at journal articles. So I'm going to select journals, and in primary source content, I'm going to select serials and documents, as these could be journal articles as well. Next, I'm going to narrow it down by the article's publication date, as some professors will require articles within a specific date range. In JSTOR, the date is listed with a CE, which stands for Common Era, or a BCE, which stands for Before the Common Era. I'm going to select CE and add my dates, which are the last 10 years. We can also narrow the results down by subject. You can search for a subject or browse the list below. I'm going to click on Art and Art History. If you're still getting too many results, you can continue to search within the results as many times as needed until you have a manageable number. For now, let's go ahead and browse our results. Each result provides a small snippet of information about the article, as well as buttons to quickly download, save, and cite. To save articles, you will need to register for a JSTOR account first by clicking on Register at the top of the page and following the steps to create an account. For more details about the article, click on the title to get to the detailed record page. The Cite, Save, and Download buttons are also available on this page, as well as a preview of the article itself. The page also features more information about the journal, references, related articles, and images. You can also copy the permanent link to the article by mousing over the URL in the detailed record page. The URL in the browser will not work, so make sure to use this permanent link for future access. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to check out our other videos and research guides, and if you have any more questions, ask a librarian. We're here to help.